In this video, I'm going to show you who has blocked you on Instagram. Now, there isn't a specific way to find if somebody has actually blocked you on Instagram, but to check, just type in the search their username, and if it's not showing up, there's a high possibility that they have blocked you. Now, to see that, so to be like 100% sure they have blocked you, just take your friend's phone or just use a new Instagram account and try search for that same account. If it shows up, then that means that on your original account they have blocked you, restricted you, or did something that you're not able to see them anymore. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.